एंड द फन थिंग इज मेरे को अरेस्ट इसलिए किया था क्योंकि मैं अंडर एज ड्राइव कर रही थी. मैंने कहा गाइस मैं ब्लाइंड फोल्ड ड्राइव कर रही हूँ, इजंट दैट अ बिगर प्रॉब्लम? But like when you said from Salman Khan to Ellen Walker, I'm like, wow, guys, I think I've made it.
और फिर जब बोला निपुण,
No, that also was very good.
how do you do it?
What I do is not real magic. What they believe and their belief system is the real magic.
You know, वैसे सोशल मीडिया की दुनिया ने कुछ ज्यादा मिस्ट्री सीक्रेसी छोड़ी नहीं है, बट इस दुनिया में वेयर एवरीबडी नोज एवरीथिंग, एक प्रोफेशन ऐसा है जो अभी भी काफी मिस्टीरियस है. मैजिशियंस कैसे अपना मैजिक करते हैं, what goes into becoming a confident mentalist and create believable illusions? Well, आज के एपिसोड में let's try to find out. Hi, I'm Nipun Maria, the CEO of IQ and host for the Quest Talk. यहाँ बातें सिंपल नहीं, एपिक होती है. And today we have the amazing Suhani Shah, जिनका quest है to make her synonymous with magic. From Salman Khan to Alan Walker, she has spilled secrets on everybody's mind. And today she's here to maybe read my mind. Please welcome Suhani Shah. Hi Suhani, welcome to the
Thank
Quest
you.
Talk.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये intro सुनकर. Like when you said from Salman Khan to Ellen Walker, I'm like, wow, guys, I think I've made it.
और फिर जब बोला निपुण,
No, that also was very good. Yeah, I am here to read your mind, but I thought it was the other way. I thought you wanted to know things about
absolutely,
me.
absolutely. I think that's the beauty of this podcast.
Yes.
You know, we call it the Quest Talk because इतने सारे youngsters हैं who want to pursue new age professions, unconventional careers, paths like you took, and want to become successful. तो
Yeah.
वो भी जानना चाहते हैं कि अगर मुझे इस path पे चलना है, then what do I need to do?
Absolutely. Yep. Very interesting. Very happy to be here. मतलब it's been, I don't know मैंने last podcast कब किया होगा, किसके साथ किया होगा, I don't even remember. It's been, मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा break लिया था social media basically YouTube से, and I think this is the first podcast I am doing after a very long time. So very happy
thank
to
you.
be here.
Thank you so
Nipun.
much.
Thank you for thinking of me for this one.
Yeah,
Really.
no, you've totally earned it. मैं भी गया एक बार ऐसे सर्कस में, मैंने भी मैजिक शो देखा, और अब तो नहीं होती सर्कस उतनी ज़्यादा, बट उस टाइम पे मैजिक शो के बाद वो अलग से थोड़े थोड़े ट्रिक्स सेल करते थे.
Yes.
जैसे मैच बॉक्स सेल कर दिया, मैच बॉक्स की ट्रिक है, ऐसे बेसिक
Yeah.
तो मैंने भी ले ली, मैंने भी सीख ली, लेकिन मेरे लिए वो शौक शायद एक दिन का ही था. एंड देन आई ग्रू ओवर इट, बट यू स्टक टू इट. तो आपको फिर भी ऐसा क्या लगता है ना, व्हाट वाज इट दैट, क्योंकि 6-7 साल का बच्चा है, उसके तो फ्लीटिंग इंटरेस्ट होते हैं, आज पुलिस वाला बनना है, कल को आर्मी मैन बनना है, परसों एयरफोर्स में जाना है, और अगले दिन कुछ और करना है. बट अ 6-7 ईयर ओल्ड नोइंग सो वेल कि अच्छा मेरी ये डेस्टिनी है, या वो इंटरेस्ट था मोर देन प्रोफेशन, तो उस टाइम का किसी को नहीं पता
नहीं
होता.
था. That's so interesting because जब आप ऐसा बोल रहे हो तो मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है कि मैंने भी ऐसा सोचा था. मैं भी मल्टीपल चीजें सोच रही थी. बिकॉज मुझे याद है कि बिफोर मैंने एक स्टेज पे चली, फर्स्ट स्टेज शो किया मैंने, उसके पहले मैं मेरे क्लब को रिप्रेजेंट करती थी किड्स स्विमिंग में. आई वाज अ स्विमिंग चैंपियन एज अ किड, एंड मुझे याद है कि आई थिंक वन ऑफ द यंगेस्ट टू डू कंप्यूटर डिप्लोमा एट द एज ऑफ 7.
ओह.
अभी तो आसान है, पर उस समय बहुत बड़ी बात थी ये,
हम्म.
क्योंकि मुझे मेरे वो न्यूज़ आर्टिकल्स आज भी पता है.
हम्म.
और मैजिक तो उसके बाद हुआ है. सो आई वाज ऑलरेडी इनटू बिट इनटू स्पोर्ट्स, बिट इनटू कंप्यूटर्स. स्कूल में भी मैं पढ़ाई कर लेती थी जब तक गई अच्छी. सो बट आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक बिकॉज मैजिक इज सो क्यूरियोसिटी ड्रिवन rather than aim driven. I think magic has the curiosity.
You mean the process is
The
more
process was
enjoyable
too
than the
much fun.
end result?
Yes, and it was not fun of a day. And
Hmm.
it was मेरे मन में बिल्कुल भी नहीं था कि मैं तो स्टेज शो करना है. मैं तो रोज जाके मजे कर रही हूँ कि आज स्टेज पे जाएंगे, और हमारी रिहर्सल्स भी स्टेज पर ही हुई है. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि ये जो टीम थी वो मेरे घर पर आके हम लिविंग रूम में प्रैक्टिस कर रहे, ऐसा नहीं था. हमने एक ऑडिटोरियम हायर किया था 8 मंथ्स के लिए, जिसमें से फर्स्ट 2 मंथ्स तो हमने किया भी नहीं, वो ऐसे ही था. हमने नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स किया.
तो फर्स्ट 2 मंथ्स क्या किया वहाँ पे?
हम सोच रहे थे कि हम करेंगे, बट हम नहीं कर पाए. ऑल्सो इट वॉज चीपर टू गेट इट फॉर 8 मंथ्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट वाज देयर. मुझे बस इतना याद है कि वो 8 मंथ्स के लिए हमने लिया था. एंड अराउंड 1-1.5 महीने बाद उसके, सो मतलब 7 महीने अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हमने रोज स्कूल के बाद में वो ऑडिटोरियम पे जाती थी और किसी दिन हम डायलॉग्स लर्न कर रहे तो मुझे पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता था. आई वाज लाइक 6 बैक देन and there was newness. I think as a kid that must have excited me a lot more because I'm not doing the same thing every day. I'm doing new things every day. तो किसी दिन मैं डायलॉग लर्न कर रही हूँ, किसी दिन मैं एक न्यू इल्यूजन सीख रही हूँ, किसी दिन मैं सेट पे वर्क कर रही हूँ, किसी दिन मैं मेरे आउटफिट्स कर रही हूँ, किसी दिन मैं किसी एक टीम के साथ रिहर्स कर रही हूँ, लाइक कोरियोग्राफर के साथ, सेकंड डे में टेक्निकल्स के साथ माइक पकड़. मुझे याद है मेरा सेशन था माइक कैसे पकड़ना है मुझे, बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट नो. मैं किड यू डू एनीथिंग, बोलते बोलते मैं हाथ नीचे कर देती थी क्योंकि मेरा हाथ दुख रहा होता था बिकॉज द माइक वाज हेवी फॉर माय हैंड.
Correct.
So there were so many fun things happening. When I remember even bits of it right now, I laugh and smile as to firstly how grateful I should be for those moments to have gotten so many people to teach me. And मम्मी पापा ने पता नहीं क्या भरोसा दिखा दिया, ऐसा तो क्या फेथ था उनको मेरे पे कि उन्होंने मुझे मैजिक जैसे फील्ड में जाने दिया.
I think wonderful. Because we're talking of childhood, कुछ pictures भी हैं हमारे पास बचपन की, and you know, let's relive that journey.
This is my first show.
First show?
This is my first show, yes. I do not know if it was taken on stage or before the curtains opened. When I was performing or before the... No, I think this was not before. This was on stage. I was performing.
Okay.
The curtains had opened only, I guess. This is my first show. I was...
Any act you remember?
Yeah, I remember all of it. I remember मेरे को पीछे खड़ा रहना है, कर्टन ओपन होगा, मुझे 10 स्टेप्स आगे चलने हैं, फिर मुझे लेफ्ट में जाना है एंड मुझे माइक पकड़ना है, मुझे किस समय, मुझे हर चीज बोलते ना रट्टा मारी भी चीजें थी ना वो सारी. वो तब आई वाज नॉट थिंकिंग बाय माई सेल्फ इन डूइंग, आई वाज टॉट एवरीथिंग एंड आई हैड टू फॉलो.
करेक्ट.
एंड आई वाज एंजॉयिंग दैट. तो मुझे सब कुछ याद है. आई रिमेम्बर फर्स्ट 10 मिनट्स जिसे हम कॉन्जरिंग बोलते हैं, वो था जिसके अंदर आप स्मॉलर एक्ट्स को कंबाइन करके परफॉर्म करते हो, जिसमें कबूतर आते हैं, ऐसे रिबन्स आती है, फ्लावर्स आते हैं. And then we slowly went on to bigger acts and ended with one massive act where they would saw me into half. So I remember the entire show.
Okay.
If you see that one, I think वो SP है जो मेरी आंखों पर पट्टी बांध रहे हैं.
Okay.
And in this one you see I am in that little Maruti 800 and I am driving that, and that's the village or the city crowd come to see me. We would get the prominent person from the city to blindfold me with their handkerchief and ऐसे थोड़ा आटा चिपका देते थे and then they would blindfold me. And जो गाड़ी है हम उसके डोर्स निकाल देते थे.
अच्छा.
So there is a proof कि अंदर कोई मेरे साथ बैठा नहीं है.
Okay.
And nobody is guiding me, so they would check my ears and everything. And I would drive the car in the most marketplace, like most crowded place.
अच्छा,
busiest place. So that it's अगर खाली सड़क पे आप चला रहे हो तो मतलब. So we would make it very challenging to prove that she's actually blindfolded and she's driving the car.
अच्छा.
We would do it in almost every city that we would perform. This is one of those. और इसमें बहुत ड्रामे हुए. मेरे को एक बार अरेस्ट कर दिया गया था. And the fun thing is मेरे को अरेस्ट इसलिए किया था क्योंकि मैं अंडर एज ड्राइव कर रही थी. मैंने कहा गाइस मैं ब्लाइंडफोल्ड ड्राइव कर रही हूँ. Isn't that a bigger problem? But let's not go to the arrest story.
Nice. Okay, best magic creator.
Oh my god. This is big for me. So FISM is like the Oscars of magic. It's like the Olympics in sports. There's nothing bigger than FISM in the field of magic. अगर कोई FISM जीतता है तो वो लिखते हैं कि FISM winner. Even FISM nominee. Growing up मैं FISM को देखती भी नहीं थी. हमें क्या करना है यार, FISM से हमारा क्या लेना देना. हम आर्टिस्ट हैं, हम परफॉर्मर हैं, हम कहानियां सुनाते हैं और हम मैजिक करते हैं. I consider myself more of an artist first, performer first, then a magician. Because मुझे लगता है कि मेरे magic acts are classics of magic. I innovate them a little, but my entire superpower would be combining those things with storytelling and presentation and stuff. So FISM is purely for the art of magic, the trick, the effect. Too much for me to deal with. It's too big a thing. I would not even look at it. And this year, I receive an email saying that I have been nominated for FISM. I'm like, spam. कुछ भी भेजते हैं लोग, मतलब फिज्म का भी स्पैम आने लग गया है आजकल. ये क्या चल रहा है? I was there. I was like, ये थोड़ी possible है. And then I received, and I saw it was an official ID, and I received another email soon after that with more details about it. And I'm like, wait, this is happening. And I'm like, what category? Why? And then I saw Best Magic Creator, and I kid you not, मैंने ना पहले 2 दिन मैंने किसी को बताया भी नहीं है. मैं चुपचाप बैठी हूँ, मतलब बस मैं आई एम जस्ट एब्जॉर्बिंग इट कि बस ये है. एंड देन थर्ड डे जो मेरे मैजिक कंसल्टेंट्स हैं जिनके साथ मैं वर्क करती हूँ, जो मेरे साथ जो सालों साल मेरे साथ काम करे हैं, I told them and they were like, what? And then I tell my parents who have no idea what FISM is, and I tell other people in India who have no idea what FISM is. तो उन्होंने मुझे फिर से उतार दिया जमीन पे, ठीक है होगा. But yeah, I was very grateful for this one. यार जब मैंने मैजिक करना शुरू किया था ना, मैं, मेरी फैमिली, मैं, मम्मी पापा, हम गांव से गांव जाते थे. हमारा बोरिया बिस्तर लेकर, हमारा किचन, हमारे 2 ट्रक का सामान, हमारे 30 लोग जो हमें असिस्ट करते उन सबको लेकर एक गांव में जाके बसते थे. रोज शो करते थे, फिर अगले गांव जाते थे, अगला शहर जाते थे, जो मिलता था जैसे मिलता था. तो बहुत ही ज्यादा हिप्पी वाली जिंदगी जी है, बंजारा टाइप्स. और तब भी सोचते थे खाली, ऐसे सपने देखते थे ना कि देखो अभी तो गांव से गांव जा रहे हैं, फिर हम शहर से शहर जाएंगे, फिर हम कंट्री टू कंट्री जाएंगे. दिस collage reminds me of that because those two are my UK premiere pictures. That one on the top right corner is my Australia premiere, and the below one is my US premiere. And one of them is Jakarta. I don't know. Anyway, all are different. No, that is the Chennai. IIM Chennai. Anyway, so the idea is that being able to do what I'm doing for me is मेरे लिए ही बहुत surprising है.
But do you remember any failure?
Many. Many things
कोई
have
है
gone
जो
wrong.
which you would like to share?
I remember I was 17 and I was being relaunched in Bombay. So I performed in Bombay when I was 8, which is right after my inaugural shows in Ahmedabad. I got a contract to perform in Bombay for 3 months. And then मैं अलग अलग स्टेट्स में जाके अलग अलग जगह पे परफॉर्म करी थी. बॉम्बे आना वापस नहीं हुआ बहुत सालों तक. आई वाज 17 years old एंड बॉम्बे रीलॉन्च था. हमको लगा बॉम्बे बड़ा लॉन्च करेंगे, हम तो किल करने वाले हैं. एंड उसी वक्त थोड़ा सा इंटरनली टीम चेंज हुई थी. तो जो पूरा ट्रूप ऑफ असिस्टेंट्स है जिस पे एक मजिशियन रिलाई करता है, और स्पेशली मैं एक इल्यूजनिस्ट थी. राइट नाउ व्हाट यू सी इज वेरी डिफरेंट देन हाउ आई स्टार्टेड. अभी मैं मेंटलिज्म करती हूँ जो सिर्फ मेरे भरोसे पे चल रहा है.
करेक्ट.
लेकिन इल्यूजन ऐसा नहीं था. वो असिस्टेंट्स आर द रियल मजिशियंस. एज अ मजिशियन मेरे में शोमैनशिप है. मैजिक जो हो रहा है, मेन ट्रिकरी पार्ट, मेन इफेक्ट पार्ट, वो असिस्टेंट्स करते हैं. मैं भी करती हूँ पर बहुत लिमिटेड. तो वो जो मेन लोग है वो पूरा ग्रुप चेंज हो गया है. और एक नई टीम आई है. वो इंटरनल इश्यूज थे. तो अब इनके साथ मैंने रिहर्सल किया, बहुत रिहर्सल किया. बट अगेन मैजिक और स्टेज ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो आप 3 दिन में रिहर्सल करके कर सकते हो. वो पैशन, वो आर्ट, और मैजिक अगेन किसी ने किया नहीं, तो जो भी नया था उसको सिखाने में टाइम जा रहा है. कोऑर्डिनेशन करेक्ट, मेन थिंग. बड़े शोज में आप ब्लेम नहीं करते हो किसी को कि क्यों कुछ बिगड़ा. सब अगर एक शो बिगड़ता है तो 30 के 30 लोग जिम्मेदार है. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरी गलती है उसकी गलती, 30 लोगों की गलती. किसी ने भी कैसे नहीं ठीक किया उसको. तो ये सब अभी नई टीम को समझाने का टाइम नहीं था, वो नहीं था. तो हमने किया. वी हैड अ ग्रेट PR ऑन बोर्ड. आई थिंक पराग देसाई सर, पराग सर थे हमारे साथ. एंड it was a show for the media, the print, the television, the radio, you name it, and they were there.
अच्छा.
And उस वक्त का ये one of the biggest PR event था. And we did a great opening to the show. But right after that, the show kept going down. to a point कि it was a disaster. So something जो मैं सोची कि यार ये मेरा career point का एक change हो सकता है.
Yes.
It went as an absolute disaster to a point कि I think उसके कुछ सालों तक मैंने और पेरेंट्स ने सोचा है कि अगर वो शो सही हो गया होता तो कितना अच्छा होता, तो शायद जिंदगी अलग होती, लाइक जिंदगी अलग होती, मतलब उतनी बड़ी बात थी वो हमारे लिए तब, बट इट डिड नॉट. And because we had a good PR, they made sure कि negative PR ना हो. Some people did write about it that it wasn't a good show. They wrote about how it felt like an amateur thing, how it felt like people were not well rehearsed, and I was okay to take it because it was true. मैं बीमार भी हो गई, बहुत सारी चीजें थी, but it didn't go as well, and I was devastated. I think that was the first time I was devastated, like because मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. I was like, अरे भगवान, ऐसा आप कैसे कर सकते हो मेरे साथ.
Biggest show possibly.
हाँ, मतलब आपको अगर बिगाड़ना ही है कोई शो, तो कोई भी शो बिगाड़ देते. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो शो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, पर मेरे पास रिकवरी का तो टाइम होता. इस पे तो मेरे पास रिकवरी का टाइम नहीं है. तो वो होता है ना, मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ. वो मोमेंट पे थी मैं, डेविस्टेटेड थी मैं, एंड मेरे को रिकवरी करने में बहुत टाइम लगा उससे. And it was always this thing, I think, for few years after that, कि अगर वो शो ठीक होता तो क्या होता.
Interesting. I think we have one last. We're done. Okay. Yeah.
So that's an opera house, Royal Opera House in Bombay. So this was on 22nd October 2022. It was at the Royal Opera House in Bombay. This was a show I was celebrating 25 years of me in magic.
Okay.
So 22nd October 1997, I did my first ever stage show. And then we did this 25 years later. And this show was very, very special because show का नाम था कहानी. And मैंने इसका इंडिया टूर भी किया था, बट हमने उसका एंड उसी डेट पर रॉयल ओपेरा हाउस बॉम्बे में किया. The show is the journey of my 25 years and how the 6-year-old girl who wants to watch magic on television, it starts with that story and how I turned into a magician, and how the show is not just about my story, it's about everybody else's kahani as well, and how it ends with that particular day when the show is happening. So it's a show very special to me also because बहुत सारे लोग जो मेरी जर्नी का पार्ट थे वो इस शो में थे. Professionally and personally, dono wise, this show was very special to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how does it feel today? You're almost like the torchbearer of magic in India, this art form. कैसा feel होता है आज when you're the one who's championing this, trying to change the image of magic and mentalism?
अच्छा तो लगता ही है. I mean, it feels very nice. It also feels like the moment you said it, I was like, oh, that's responsibility. That's heavy. And it's exactly how it feels. You feel happy and you feel heavy about it because as a creative person, you want to have the freedom to create. But when you have such pressure on you, where you are being called the torchbearer, the pioneer, the somebody who people look up to, आप सोचते हो यार कि आप गलती ना कर दो, और ये गलती ना कर दो का प्रेशर इतना बड़ा है, कभी कभी आप कुछ क्रिएट करना चाहते हो वो भी नहीं कर पाते हो. I have felt it. I try to stay away from it. I still try to stay the 7-year-old Suhani who loves being on stage and performing magic. But वो कभी कभी आ ही जाता है. I take it more as being more responsible now.
Okay. I think let's do
We've
some.
been talking a
Let's
lot
let's
of
do some.
magic.
Yeah, let's
I
do
know,
some
we
magic.
Yes, I realize how you asked me this question about क्या किसी inappropriate जगह पर. I know where you were getting with that question.
ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है.
अच्छा.
Maybe it's in your mind.
Yeah, maybe. So I'm gonna actually twist that. I'm gonna ask you. Have you ever been in an embarrassing situation in your... Don't tell me.
Acha, now magic has started.
I am trying to see.
Okay.
Yeah. Magic has started, but I'm just like, I'm a mentalist. I can just talk and do things. So I'm going to try and do that. So have you ever been in an embarrassing situation? It could be in a podcast or in your personal life or in college or whenever. Could be any time. Can you think of any such moment?
I can.
You can. Okay. Is it okay if I try to figure this out?
Okay.
So you think of something that you're okay with me revealing.
ठीक है, done.
तो अगर बहुत ही ज्यादा embarrassing होगा तो मत सोचना, फिर मैं reveal करूंगी, फिर problem हो जाएगी. वो हुआ है past में.
अच्छा, हाँ, ठीक है, done.
Okay, so Do you mind putting yourself in that situation
हाँ.
right now? Like you can close your eyes and try
Hmm.
to live that I know you don't want to ever, but maybe live that in your mind once. You're very stressed with your eyes. You can just be calm about it. You can take a deep breath and just think of it very like easily, happily. It's a very, very, very old memory
Yes.
because it's very vivid.
Yeah, very old.
Very purana
हाँ
memory,
हाँ
ठीक है?
हाँ
Because what I could understand is you're only thinking of that moment.
हाँ
उसके आगे पीछे का ज़्यादा आपको याद नहीं है शायद।
हाँ वो क्योंकि आपने बोला ना उस मोमेंट के बारे में सोचो
अच्छा ठीक है, तो उस
हाँ
मोमेंट के बारे में आपने you can think of आगे पीछे
ओके
also then.
हम्म
Okay, so this is very young. This is school.
यस
Okay, this is what you thought आगे पीछे. Now let's go to the memory.
ओके
Are you influenced by what I said? Because this also looks like you are somewhere like a stage or on a stage, like you're performing something.
हाँ
Okay, great. So
ओके
this is, we got the time, we got where you are. Now let's think of the moment. You really want me to say that?
अब आप embarrassing बोला है तो
कपड़ों के साथ कुछ मांगा.
यस
Okay. Okay, you will have to tell the entire story.
ओके
But I think this is you were performing something on stage. Was it
यस
a stage or a platform? What
स्टेज
was it?
स्टेज
Proper
स्टेज
stage.
स्कूल शो
हाँ, it was a school पे कोई
हाँ
play चल रहा
हाँ
था.
यस
It was not a talk or something.
हाँ
कोई play है, आप कोई
हाँ
character बने हो,
हाँ हाँ
correct? And that's what you were thinking, कोई character बने हो, and you had some malfunction with your outfit, what you were
यस
wearing.
यस एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट
You didn't have to visualize it so clearly in your head.
बट यहाँ पे आई थिंक ब्रेक करना चाहिए
I don't want to see what you saw.
No, it was a wardrobe malfunction.
I know, I understood. Yeah, well, this is fun. Okay.
No, but
Yeah.
but no, I really want to know. This is something जो मैं इतना ज़्यादा उसके बारे में नहीं सोचता. हम पहली बार मिले हैं. How do you do it?
वाह, जिस सटलिटी से आपने इस पॉडकास्ट में हमारे करियर का सवाल पूछ लिया है. How do you do it, by the way? I do it very well. I do it with good magic effects in it. I do it with good storytelling.
Because ये magic भी नहीं है सुहानी. I don't qualify this as magic because आपने बोला magic is illusion. कि आपको दिख कुछ और रहा है लेकिन हो कुछ और रहा है, right? Or you believe there is something else but हो कुछ और रहा है. In this case, this is fact. Right?
No, this is an illusion.
अच्छा.
I gave you an illusion of reading your mind. I didn't read your mind.
Okay.
I read many other things.
Okay.
It could be a part of your body language. It could be linguistic deception. It could
Okay.
be some trickery involved somewhere.
Okay.
There is something, and I admit it, and I always say it, and I want people to know it. This is not superpower. In fact, nobody can read your mind. If somebody is claiming that, okay, first of all, some people tell me, how do you react to skeptics? I want to tell you, I am a magician. I am one of the biggest skeptics you'll meet. Because I know how things are happening. अगर कोई मुझे आके बोल रहा है सुहानी हम तुम्हारा माइंड रीड करेंगे, I'm like, नहीं होता है वो. मुझे पता है ना कैसे करा जाता है. और मैं ही तुमको बोल रही हूँ, मैं ही सबको बोल रही हूँ कि nobody can read your mind. It is not possible. Your thoughts are your most private space and they are going to stay as is. तो that's a fact. So what I did, मैंने अभी जो किया वो एक भ्रम ही है, वो एक illusion ही create किया गया है.
अच्छा.
अब वो कैसे किया गया है, that is the beauty of the art. कि यार मैं सामने बैठा हूँ. How can she know?
Yes.
And I agree to it. मैं अगर उधर बैठी होती मैं भी यही सोचूंगी. इनफैक्ट अगर व्यूअर्स है तो वो सोच रहे होंगे कि you are in on this. मैं अगर व्यूअर होती मैं भी यही सोचती. But that's the beauty of magic. इनफैक्ट बिना स्केप्टिज्म के तो मैजिक एज एन आर्ट फॉर्म मर जाएगा. Like if I ask you what is this, what color is the mic?
Correct.
If you have to say, what will you answer?
Black.
Okay. Everybody is in agreement this is black.
Yes.
So there is no magic.
Correct.
ठीक है. But if I make you agree that this is a different color, then there is magic because it's not in agreement with everybody else. So skepticism is what keeps the art alive. Where people come and say कि ये possible नहीं है, आज तो मैं सुहानी को catch करूँगा. Buddy, you are the one that's keeping the art form alive, because if everybody agrees to it, it becomes a fact. There have to be people not agreeing to it for it to be magic. So that's the art form. That's the beauty. Skepticism is the beauty of the magic.
Okay. और I'm sure so many people, they feel inspired. उनको लगता है हम भी इस करियर में जाना चाहते हैं, right? आपके टाइम पे I think there was
Wow,
one
Nipun,
great.
I'm sorry to cut you off,
हाँ.
but आपके time पे
हाँ.
made me feel so old.
No, आपके टाइम पे means for you,
No,
for
no,
your 7-year-old.
I completely get
हाँ.
it, but wow,
हाँ.
I have reached there now.
So for your 7-year-old, आपको support system fortunately
मिल गया था.
and मिल गया वो, right? Guidance मिल गई. A lot of youngsters don't have it today, or maybe are not so privileged, or their time hasn't come yet. तो वो कैसे इसको सीख सकते हैं, कैसे इसमें ग्रो कर सकते हैं, राइट? मे बी दे आर ऑल्सो पैशनेट अबाउट इट. हो सकता है कुछ इंटरनेट से देख के सीख भी रहा हो कोई.
I want to try and simplify this answer. Let me try to keep it a 3-step thing. One, first of all, you should not do magic if you are just seeing others and being fascinated by it. Because फिर आप परसों किसी और को देखोगे और आप उससे भी fascinate हो जाओगे. You should do it if you personally, genuinely want to do it. Like you feel it's your calling. That's one. Like if you have genuine interest in people, in psychology, in human behavior, in observation, in connecting with people in real sense, only then magic is for you. Second, if I could learn, anybody can learn.
अच्छा.
Because I learned it when there was nothing.
हाँ.
Even let's say मेरे parents supportive थे, but सीखे कहाँ
हाँ,
से?
सीखे कहाँ से?
कोई source ही नहीं था. कोई book नहीं पता है, internet नहीं है, कोई course नहीं है, कोई सिखा नहीं रहा है. अगर हमने कर लिया ना, तो फिर तो थोड़े से passion से भी आप कर लोगे. In today's time, where you have AI, where you have so many videos online, when you have courses out there, they might not teach you extreme professionalism, professional stuff, but it is a great way to start. So you will find a way.
Okay.
Always.
Okay.
And third is consistency. Like if you're ready to study and given the reps, you'll make it happen. It's just that magic is a performing art form. It's a performance art. It is not something that आप theory पढ़कर आपको आ गया. It is not, and I repeat an emphasis on the word, it is not about the tricks. If you know the trick, does not mean you're a magician. Magic involves a lot more that it doesn't look like a trick. Only then you're a magician. So, so it's about consistently performing magic, being ready to fail, being ready to be judged, being ready to make a fool out of yourself, because you will make a mistake in the start. And it's like any other art form, and it's okay. Till you're ready to do all of that. Also, finding your voice, because every magician you see has their own voice. They have their own personality to magic. Because magic में effects बहुत कम है. आप appear करोगे, disappear करोगे, read करोगे, influence करोगे, levitate करोगे, teleport करोगे, मतलब गिन के 8-10 मिलेंगे आपको. उसी 8-10 इफेक्ट के अराउंड magicians को पूरी दुनिया में खेलना है. तो वो तभी खेल पाएंगे जब उनका खुद का एक personality, खुद का एक voice होगा. So one, that you should do it only because you want to do it. Two, there is many ways to learn it if you really want to learn it. Three, once you have learned it, keep performing it over and over again and try to find your voice and your personality as a magician. Don't give up. If you think you don't have it in you, don't waste your time. Let somebody else do it. कर लेगा कोई ना कोई. So I think it's just these 3 points that I think people need to keep in mind. बाकी तो information की दुनिया में जी रहे हैं हम, उनको सब आ जाएगा. So सीखना है वो पाथ ढूंढ लेगा.
Okay. And how about you? How do you see your future quests or future challenges or tasks?
If I were to answer this as honestly as possible, and this might not be an answer you might be looking for, but this is the truth. आई फील मेरे सपने तो पूरे हो गए।
ओके।
द 6 or 7 year old सुहानी ने जो
हम्म,
सपने देखे थे एज
हम्म,
बच्ची की तरह,
हम्म,
वो हो गए पूरे।
हम्म,
एंड मेरे माँ बाप ने जो सपने देखे वो भी हो गए पूरे।
हम्म,
तो एंड देयर वाज दिस मोमेंट वेयर वी हैड अ पर्सनल स्ट्रगल इन
हम्म,
फैमिली,
हम्म,
एंड माय मदर एंड आई वर ऑलवेज लाइक जिस दिन ये चीजें स्ट्रगल पूरी होगी ना तब मानेंगे कुछ किया है।
हम्म,
वो भी हो गए पूरे।
हम्म,
एंड आई रिमेंबर दैट डे आई सैट विद माय मदर एंड आई टोल्ड हर कि दिस इज हैपनिंग फॉर रियल, दिस इज ओवर। दैट वाज लाइक एन ऑस्कर मोमेंट फॉर मी। उसके बाद जीवन में जो भी हुआ लाइक ये सब बोनस है। अभी लाइफ में जो भी हो रहा है ना ये सब बोनस मिल रहा है, एंड आई एम अटरली ग्रेटफुल, आई एम एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी। आई एम समबडी हु फील्स लाइक मैं क्या कंप्लेन करूँ यार, ऑल्दो मैं करती हूँ, ऑफ कोर्स करती हूँ, बहुत कंप्लेन करूंगी मैं कि ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, वो क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, बट that is because I have to live life and keep myself motivated and happy. But in general, I'm like ये जो चल रहा है वो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है। अब मेरा बस एक ही काम है कि रुकना नहीं है, बस चलते रहो।
एंड ऑन दिस जर्नी, अभी इतना लंबा सफर चल रहा है, हाउ अबाउट अ पार्टनर?
Are you married, Nipun?
Yes.
Let's talk
But
about
right
your
now this
partner.
question is on you.
No, let's talk about your partner.
मेरा तो खैर हो गया, बट आपका?
अरेंज मैरिज था, लव मैरिज
हाँ,
था?
अरेंज्ड।
आपने अरेंज मैरिज किया?
Yes.
कितने साल हो गए अरेंज मैरिज को आपके?
13 साल हो गए।
13 years of arranged marriage.
हाँ,
And you have kids?
yeah.
You have a daughter?
हाँ, two
Nice.
two kids.
You have 2 kids. How was it? How was it when you saw her first time?
नहीं, more than that, ये होता है कि जैसे आज, I don't know today's generation now, 13-14 years
You
back.
know, Aiku knows. You know today's generation. You are playing with them really well. You know their mindset. You are the one who knows it the best, I feel. So don't say you don't know today's generation. So but
नहीं
yeah,
तो वो
tell
था,
me.
पेरेंट्स ने बोला मिल लो,
हाँ,
अच्छा लगा तो ठीक है, नहीं अच्छा लगा तो ओके,
तो कोई दूसरी देख लेंगे।
हाँ तो फिर किसी और से बात करेंगे, अब ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा।
तो ये तो आप ऐसे बोलो जैसे मैंने गाड़ी ली थी।
क्यों?
तो मुझे पसंद, मैंने टेस्ट ड्राइव की, मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगी तो मैंने दूसरी गाड़ी
तो
ले
अरेंज
ली।
मैरिज में तो ऐसे है ना, यू हैव टू स्टिल बिल्ड दैट रैपो ओवर
So
पीरियड
how
ऑफ
many
टाइम।
people, like how many women you saw or met,
Hmm.
saw nahi, how many
Hmm.
people you met
Hmm.
before you were like, she is the one? In fact, don't answer that.
हाँ,
I'll try to figure it out.
ओके।
ऐसे numbers मेरे लिए guess करना आसान है।
तो मैं क्या करूँ, इधर ऐसे कर सकता
Where you want to hide your face?
हूँ? एनीवेयर बट नॉट।
Or you don't want to look at me? That's going to be difficult for me.
अच्छा,
But the point is, you already thought of the number.
हाँ, बिकॉज आई नो द नंबर।
Yeah. So before you were hiding your face and I said it, कि how many people you, so you actually already thought of it, and because numbers are easy for me. But what I was shocked about, I still don't know the number, but I do know it's a 2-digit number.
हाँ,
Okay, I'm very curious. So think of the first digit. You, if you guys saw him, well, ये replay पे भी आप डाल सकते हो. The way you nodded was, there was a clear nod twice. And what was this? Oh, what was the second digit? No, I'm surprised because oh my god, so many double magic चल रहा है. मतलब you will be surprised, but I'm still surprised. इतने सारे लोग before शादी. The second digit.
बताओ।
Okay. Wow. Can I write it here?
हाँ, यस यस।
मुझे भी, मैं तो jealous feel कर रही हूँ अभी at this point. Don't see. You look there. You look somewhere else.
मेरे को कौन सा दिख रहा है?
मेरा pen move करेगा ना?
अच्छा,
You
ठीक।
look there. Shh. On my count of 3, you say it.
ओके,
And I'll show it.
अच्छा, गलत हुआ
तो नहीं डालेंगे ये वीडियो।
अच्छा, थोड़ी होगा, जरूर डालेंगे फिर।
डाल देना, कोई बात
Okay,
नहीं। बट नंबर्स तो आई थिंक आई एम टैड बिच।
ओके, पक्का ना?
आई थिंक सो।
पक्का?
देखा जाएगा यार अब तो। मैं तो ओ में हूँ भाई। ओके, 1 2 3 नाउ।
हाँ, 21।
या
तो नाउ द टीम हैज टू चेक कि इसका डालना चाहिए कि नहीं डालना चाहिए।
21 people you saw before choosing your life partner.
Okay, we also have some questions from the community.
Okay, let's go.
So I think we should ask some of those questions.
You've got these like
हाँ,
they've sent it to you
हाँ,
through
they've
email
sent it
and
because
stuff.
हमारी community है तो
ईमेल करे उन लोगों ने?
हाँ,
Okay.
email करते हैं, community पे लिखते हैं, whichever way.
अच्छा,
But
okay.
so Nitesh has asked if you were a magician in Hogwarts,
Hmm.
which house would you mentally manipulate your way into?
So, Nitesh, firstly, sorry to disappoint you and everybody else who are Harry Potter fans because I haven't watched Harry Potter. My
You want to really
manager
claim
has
this?
gone face palmed right now. He's like, "Kyun bola usne aisa?" But I'm sorry. Guys, in my defense, when you guys were watching Magic, I was creating it. So I didn't have time to watch it. Yeah.
Okay. Varun, he's asked if you had a stage name based on your mood right now, what would it be? If you had a stage name based on your mood.
I don't know. Okay, wait. I'm generally a very happy person. That's sort of sometimes a problem also because but I think I really like the name the internet has given me, Susha. Like
Okay.
Suhani Shah, they shortened it and they call me Susha. I love it. I want everybody to call me Susha, so I would make that my stage name, Susha. Yeah.
Okay, nice. J Street, do you get bored of thrill or suspense shows because they're predictable?
No, in fact, I love them. Those are the only books I read. Those are the only. This is my favorite genre to watch movies and
Okay.
shows. I love thriller. I love suspense. I am not I mean, I think the beauty of the thriller and suspense is similar to magic because in magic also you want to know क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है. Similarly in thriller you want to know क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है. I think that's why I like it. I am not always trying to like not using mentalism to figure out के end में क्या होने वाला है. I would usually do that with people, but when I'm enjoying art, I enjoy it as art. Like so, I love suspense. That, in fact, that's my favorite genre.
Okay.
I don't get bored of it at all.
Okay, Ayush, last question. If your brain has tabs open, how many are overthinking and how many are low-key judging people?
I'm not an overthinker.
Okay.
I think I have inculcated a great practice of writing. So the moment I have thoughts that become even slightly overwhelming that I'm not able to process, I'm somebody who will start writing very quickly.
Okay.
So I'll keep a journal with me or I'll keep my diary with me, and I'm somebody who writes.
Achha.
So the moment I want I need an outlet. So I'm not an overthinker. Writing helps me a lot. If you're an overthinker, you should try writing. It is magic. It works like magic. So overthinking तो होता ही नहीं है. दूसरा क्या था? Judging people all the time, buddy. All the time. I
I'm
love
so
it.
worried.
I have judged you enough now. This has been a long podcast. I've also seen you in weird ways in your childhood right now. So, yeah, but I think I do that for the fun of it. Not in a negative way, but just for the fun of it. Because a lot of times, I also feel that initially when I started and learned it, मैं ये ज़्यादा करती थी, which was serious judging in terms of when somebody is even lying to me and I know the truth. And then it used to hurt me so much कि तू सच क्यों नहीं बोल रहा है भाई, तू झूठ क्यों बोल रहा है, मुझे पता है सच. Then that is the time I also realized truth is very overrated. Sometimes you do not need to know the truth. Sometimes you should only know as much as the other person wants you to know. And that's how curiosity is built, and that's how interest in people stays. Maybe that's why I'm also single.
Okay, rapid fire.
Let's go.
Has there ever been a moment where you were completely wrong in a reading?
Yes. रैपिड फायर में एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देना है
हाँ,
मुझे.
थोड़ा सा
मतलब there was this was a corporate, मतलब बहुत बार मुझे अभी ये मन में आ रहा है. There was this corporate event where I asked 11-12 साल पहले की बात है. My show would end with me revealing somebody's crush's name. So I called this person on stage and I was telling him, think of your crush's name. And then I had a board in my hand and then I would write down the name and I'm standing behind the person. Board abhi ulta hai. And I say, on my count of 3, I want you to say this name out loud. 1, 2, 3, now. And I put the mic on this person's face. And he says, I can't say the name. And I show the name. And I'm like, no, but you'll have to. And he's like, no, I can't. So I show him the board. And he just goes like embarrassed. So with his expression, the audience understood that I'm correct. And I got my applause. And I'm done with the show. Bye-bye. But after the show, backstage, these 2 people walked towards me. So I am like, okay, photograph, whatever. But clearly not. They were a very serious face. So they want to talk to me. And I'm like, yeah, tell me what happened. So this guy is trying to tell me to tell his wife that this was an act, what happened on stage. And I'm like, no, I'll not lie. Like, it wasn't an act. You were thinking about her. Like this person, which was not his wife. Basically, cutting the story short, this name that he said was of this lady who was also sitting in the audience, and they were all three friends. And he said her name, and there was a big problem after that. I just hope today
I
he's
can
happy with
imagine.
at least
I
one
can
of
imagine
them.
the problem.
Yeah. So it was that moment that changed everything for me. And from that moment, I started taking consent before I reveal anything. Like I asked you, is it okay if I can reveal? So you said yes. If you would have said no, I wouldn't have revealed it. I would have only proved it to you by writing it down or telling some details which people wouldn't know of. Things like that. But I clearly shouldn't have. I mean, whatever. He shouldn't have thought of that name. He's on a mentalism show. What is he thinking?
In front of his wife.
In front of his wife with a girl also in the audience. Oh my God.
Okay. Your guilty pleasure after a long performance?
A hot tub bath with Epsom salt in it. I just like dip myself in that. I usually do nothing after my show. I have I have a routine. It's dal khichdi, and if I get a chance, I'll just dip, like put myself into a tub, like with warm water, Epsom salt, which just can take away my soreness, and I can just relax. That's luxury though for me. मिल जाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे को.
Okay. If not a mentalist, you would be?
Graphic designer.
Graphic design?
Yeah, I'm all into art and design.
Okay. The one human behavior you find most fascinating?
The one human behavior
Or a trait?
Or a trait that I find most fascinating. The story people tell about themselves and how beautifully they believe in it.
Okay. A mentalism myth you would want to bust in 3 words?
In 3 words.
Or, okay, you can.
We are not psychic.
We are not psychic.
We are को ऐसे कर देना वो 3 में आ जाएगा. We are not psychic, yeah. Because a lot of people think that we are psychics and we can do anything in the world. And I mean, even psychics can't read your mind, but whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
We are performing artists.
Last rapid fire question. Your one superpower off stage?
My one superpower off stage. Observation.
Observation.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, listening, observation. I think I would consider that my superpower because that helps me analyze things better.
Okay.
So I think that's my superpower. What's your superpower?
My superpower?
Yeah.
You've guessed so much. Do I need to say?
Wow. You can say no. You want me to read that out of you? You said it already in your mind. Look, this is what you have to always keep listening. That's what I said, that my superpower is listening, because you are, when I say you, I mean people are always talking. They are always talking. You just need to know how to listen to them. And if I wasn't observant, I would have missed it. You actually said something in your mind. I don't know if that is your actual answer, but it was something about, okay, say the word again in your mind. It was something about details.
Correct.
Superpower, details? Detailing.
Detailing.
Like
yes.
you focus
Detailing
on detailing.
was the exact word.
Detailing, okay. So your superpower is detailing. Like you get into the details of things. Okay, great. Yeah, that's lovely. Yeah, we see that. Yes.
This is lovely too.
Yes. Lovely.
Okay. Very nice. I really enjoyed.
Thank you so much.
And
बहुत mind read करवा दिया यार. And thank you for having me here to talk.
Yes. Thank you so much. We have just a few rituals. एक we've kept this. जिस पे आपने 21 लिखा है, I think आप उसको मिटा सकते हो.
Okay. And what do I have to write?
And just write whatever you think is your quest.
मेरा quest 20 यही है.
ये क्या है?
21 now.
21.
Yeah, this is my quest now, guys. By the way, I should just keep it as I quest for, after that 22, I quest for that one. Okay, that one.
Yes.
I think this makes sense.
Yes.
I don't know how this turned into a quest for my potential partner suddenly from my career in life.
Maybe I read something mentally.
Could be. Acha Nipun, you are a mentalist anyway. You know the markets, no? Detailing. Mentalism का काम ही detailing होता है.
Okay, and we also have one small gift
Oh,
for
sweet.
you. Quest from a 7-year-old to today,
Wow.
still winning hearts, has inspired millions.
Thank you
So,
so much.
hope you keep shining bright.
Thank you so
like
much.
this.
Thank you, Nipun,
Thank you.
and
Thank
thank
you
you
so much.
to the entire team. This was so well coordinated and so well done. So thank you for having me, and I had a lot of fun chatting with you.
Yes.
And I feel even if few people are inspired by this or get something out of it, I think our time is worthwhile. We
Yes.
did well.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.